Captain Wooby here. And as a quick reminder, hobbycaptain.com has the world's largest selection of free paper airplane patterns. And in this clip, we're going to be taking a look at a paper airplane I'm calling the Seahawk. Mostly because I think the nose of it looks like a bird beak. Anyways, it is a long glider with an incredible flight time. Let me show you how to fold this one. Let's take a look at this pattern before we get to folding. There are a total of 13 steps. Steps 1, 2, and 3 will form a false nose or a temporary nose. Step 4 will reinforce that nose and create some flaps. Then steps 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 will form the real nose or the final nose. Step 10 will fold the plane in half. Step 11 will form our wings. Step 12 will form vertical stabilizers, and step 13 will put some elevators on this thing. Let's get going. So step 1, I believe it's easier to do from the blank side. Now, if you're struggling with this or any paper airplane from hobbycaptain.com, I have a getting started page where you will find instructions and some easy to follow examples. So if you're struggling, check out that getting started and hopefully that will clear things up for you. Okay, so now the other side of one. Now step 1 here, that line represents a crease, and so that means that the line should be on the outside of the fold, and that after you fold it the first time, you unfold it. There's step 1, and on to step 2. So step 2 is a reverse crease, and what I'm going to do with it is fold it as a crease, meaning that the line is on the outside of the fold. Then I'm going to fold it as a reverse crease so that the line is on the inside of the fold, and that just makes it easier to actually find where the fold should be. Now step 3, just kind of pinch up and push in and then fold down. And I'll show you that one more time here. It'll be slightly easier for me now that I've done it once already, but so we're going to take and we want to try to push in here and then fold this down. Okay, step 4, we're just going to find this right along the what is the temporary nose here. And the same for this side. Now we've got steps 5 and 6, and these are on the inside of the flap, and they are on both sides. So we'll do 5 first. And again, these are creases, so we fold them, then unfold them. Now 6 is on this side. Again, these are creases, so we fold, and then unfold. Now 7 is shown here, and again, this is a reverse crease. Unlike the other reverse crease, I am going to fold it as a crease first, and then as a reverse crease. And that just helps me find my spot to where I want to fold it. Now, something to point out here is that this line should line up with this corner of the flap. Okay, on to step 8. Now step 8, we're going to take and we're going to pinch right on this line and then reinforce as we kind of push down lines 5 and 6. And the same thing on this side. So we'll take and pinch as we try to reinforce 5 and 6. All right, step 9, we'll just finish that crease we started on step 7. And step 10, fold it in half. Now, the wings on step 11 actually come into the corner of the nose, and that piece is pretty thick. So what I want to try to do is loosen that up and start the wing up in the nose, and then try to follow that line down. Okay, and then the other side, I'm going to try to do the exact same thing, and I'm going to try to line these sides up and make them symmetric. Got my wings. Now for some vertical stabilizers. And some elevators. Now on the elevators, you can do two things. You could crumple the back of it up, or as I have it actually diagrammed in the instructions, or on the pattern, cut here, and fold the elevators up a bit. All right, well, thank you for watching. Please leave a comment, like, subscribe, let me know what you think of this thing. I appreciate you taking your time to watch it. I hope you have fun with it, and I'll see you next time.